Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ChargeHub to find EV stations fast, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with ChargeHub, start by visiting their official website. On the homepage, locate the sign up button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration form. Begin by entering your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. Confirm your password by typing it again in the next field. Next, provide your first and last name as requested. You may also be asked to input your location for personalized recommendations. Once you've filled in all required fields, read the terms of service. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account button to submit your information. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation message from ChargeHub. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the ChargeHub website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the map section to find EV stations. You can customize your search by adjusting the filter settings. Explore the map to locate nearby charging stations. Click on any station for additional information, including availability and type of charger. Feel free to save your favorite stations for easy access in the future. Utilize the ChargeHub app for on-the-go access to EV stations. Enjoy finding charging stations quickly and effortlessly with ChargeHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.